Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the orthographic projection of hexagonal bolt of major dia 30 mm. The length of the bolt is 80 mm and the thread length is 54 mm. At first we can draw the side view of the hexagonal bolt. Here it's M30, so we take the dia equal to 60. The radius will be 30. Draw a thin circle of dia 30 mm. Draw the inner chamfer circle. The diameter will be around 52 mm. We just check the flat surface of the hexagon and draw the circle. Now we need to draw the core diameter of the bolt and the thread of the bolt. So the core diameter will be 0.8 D, that will be around 24 mm, and the thread run out will be D, that will be 30 mm. Now we are drawing the front view. We draw the center line over here. The length of the bolt is 80 mm, so we take 80 mm here. We take the perpendicular from that point. The width across the corners is 60 mm, so we plot the 60 mm here from the center line, 30 and 30, and we plot the distance over there. Now we can draw the length of that bolt, 80 mm. We can take the 80 mm from this line and here also 80 mm. We plot the distance and connect the ends. The core diameter is 0.8 D, so we plot 3 mm from the top and 3 mm from the bottom to show or represent the thread. We plot the thread length of 54, 5, 4. The thin line we plot. Again we plot the 3 mm gap over here. 1, 2, 3. and we need to plot 0.2D gap, that is 6 mm gap. And here also we need to plot 3 gap. This is the length of the bolt and the thread we shown it here. Now we need to draw the bolt head. Then we take the 30-degree angle. Now we can draw the arc. Then here also we connect the arc. We connect the arc and again we plot the 30-degree from these 2 points. We draw the line and connect these 2 lines, and we can get the head, bolt head. So this is the bolt head, the front view. Now we can draw the next side view over here. Putting the distance. The bolt thread over here. We need to draw the arc over here. For that we need to find out the center. We draw the center line. Then we need to plot the distance over here. And we need to find out the center again. The perpendicular bisector. On the tops and the bottom side also. We plot the arc over here also. Now we can do the dimensions. The thread length is 54 mm. It is given in the question. The bolt length is 80 mm. That is also given. The bolt head thickness is 0.8 d, that is 24 mm. Then the width across the corners is total 60, and we can divide these three parts as 15 mm, 15 mm, 30 mm and 15 mm. 15. And the overall distance, the width across the corners is 2d, that is 60 mm. And here that is 6 mm, 6 mm, that is 0.02d, and here it is 3 mm. 3 mm. Here it is also 3 mm, and here it is 52 mm, that is 1.732 times the d, that is around 52 mm. 52, that means 1.732 times d is 30 mm. Here it's 2d, here it is 0.8d, and it is a given length which is never whatever prescribed in the question, and this is also, and here this is 2d, and here it is 0.2d, and here 0.1d. And this larger one dotted line that is here, that is d, that is 530, and the smaller one that is 0.8d, that is equal to 24 mm dia. And this is the width across the flat, that is 52 mm, and here is the orthographic projection of that bolt. Thank you.